Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how can we delete fingerprint in our Vivo phone guys. You want to delete fingerprint, so guys you can delete. And guys, now let's see how to delete fingerprint in Vivo phone. But before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you need my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So friend, now let's start the video. How to delete fingerprint. Guys, click on phone setting, security setting guys, and then guys come in guys this fingerprint setting, lock setting. Click here and draw your pattern which you have, and as you can see here, delete fingerprint. So as you can delete from here, you want to remove. So guys, if you want to delete fingerprint, so guys fingerprint will not work in your Vivo phone. So I hope friends we have understood how to delete fingerprint in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching our video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.